Guys, we are taking a look at this beautiful PC right here. It's a HP ProDesk, 405 G6 mini PC. Guys, I'm not going to be doing a lot of technicalities here because I understand that some of you just want somebody to reassure you that what you are about to buy at the hardware money shop is a beautiful thing, and it's exactly what I'm going to be making this video. Just to reassure you that if you are right now at the hardware money shop, you are looking for something like this, something that's going to enable you, do your task, your home office task, your light editing and stuff like that, for watching YouTube videos, going on TikTok, watching Facebook videos, because I understand that some of you kind of like to watch cat videos on Facebook. This PC right here is not going to disappoint you. Of course, I'm not going to sit here and try to convince you why this is a beautiful PC to buy. First things first, it's a HP PC and also it's a ProDesk PC. I'm taking a look at this PC right now, and the only thing I can tell you is that this PC is well built, very sturdy. If I shake it like this, I do not hear anything shaking inside. Unlike some of the PCs that you get to buy these days, where if you attempt to shake it, you're going to be hearing all manner of noise inside. It's either the RAM stick is shaking inside, some cables are shaking. But this one right here, everything looks so sturdy. Taking a look at the back of it and the front of it, everything so sturdy, like a beautiful PC that you would like to have in your office. Of course, I understand that some of you do not rock with the small form factor PCs, the tower PCs. Don't just appeal to you, and you're looking for something cute, something very decent, something that you can easily put on your desk, and you are good to go. This is one PC. You drop it on your desk like this, and you are working on your keyboard. I'm telling you for free that you're not going to hear this PC making any form of funny noises. It's so quiet. It's exactly one thing that you might want to consider. I've seen PCs that when you attempt to start them, it's going to be making all sort of error sound, some PP sound here, some PP sound there. It's just one noise or the other. But this ProDesk right here, beautiful, decent PC, well built for your office, for your homeschooling, for your small business. It's not going to make any noise when you attempt, to put it on. See, I'm trying to open it out with my hand. It's not going to be possible because some of the cheap PCs you have out there, you actually can just twist the screw like this and the PC gets to open up. But this one is not opening up. So what I have to do now is to get, a screwdriver, which I advise you to do whenever you want to take this PC apart. Of course, this star head is not going to do the job for you. I just want to get, something like this, a flathead screwdriver. This is the only thing that will enable you, open this PC. Of course, that also goes a long way to tell you how the engineers have, thought of quality and said, we're not going to make something that you can easily open with one hand. We're going to make something that is sturdy, something that will stand the test of time, and something that will definitely make you proud. See, this thing right here only symbolizes quality. If you are saying to yourself, I want a PC that will enable me, install an NVMe SSD as well as a SATA SSD, I'm telling you for free that there are not so many PCs that will enable you do this, but this is one PC that you can actually run to do that. This PC has got everything it takes for you to put an NVMe SSD right here, as well as a 2.5-inch SSD right here. This is something you want to consider because we are living in the day and age where NVMe SSD is just not enough. You actually need something more because you may want to save some documents, you want to save some music files, you want to download a lot of stuff that you do on ChatGPT on the internet, and you want to save it on your PC. This PC would enable you do it. As if that's not enough, this PC here comes with a Ryzen processor. This is one decent processor that a lot of people have said, this is a very good processor. You can be proud that if you have this PC and want to multitask, you're not going to be disappointed. Your PC is not going to be hanging, and it's going to burn through all your office tasks, going to burn through your day-to-day schooling tasks. Doesn't matter how many tabs you are opening, doesn't matter how many websites you are trying to monitor. And if you are somebody that is in the e-commerce space just like myself, this is exactly what you need, because if you want to write your invoices to your customers, you're not going to be wondering, how do I connect this PC to my printer, or how do I connect this PC to any of my USB devices? Because behind this PC, we've got very decent USB 3.2, not one, not two, but I think like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 USB 3.2 ports. This is actually enough for you to do whatever you want to do. You've got a HDMI port, a display port behind it, another display port right here. So that's not enough. You also have a USB-C port right there. Guys, I'm telling you for free that this PC, the HP ProDesk, 405 G6, this is one of a kind. This is one beautiful PC I can highly recommend to you. You might be wondering now, hardware money, I want to get this kind of PC. Where do I get it? Of course, I'm going to be leaving a link to this particular offer in the description of this video. Feel free to click on it. But I will warn you, these PCs tend to go very fast. Beautiful things do not tend to last for long. A lot of you guys now will go to the hardware shop and try to put your feet on the door and get this PC. So if you are full dragging, I can tell you for free that this PC is going to be sold before you ever get there. But if you are still at the crossroad, not knowing what kind of PC to buy, I can tell you for free that the HP ProDesk 405 GCs would not disappoint you.